Okay, let's trim out our door now. So I'm going to go to the back view again and zoom out here so we can go over and trim our door. Oops, look at that. I've gone outside. And we're going to create another extrusion. And it's going to ask us to pick the plane. That's a bit tedious for me. It seems like I could remember that plane. So once again, a face plane. Back to the back. Let's zoom in here and do the same thing again. Actually, I'm going to use the line tool because of the nature of, and this is on chain, so I'll connect to that top, come over to this corner, and then come all the way down again until we touch the bottom point. And then we're going to use the offset tool. And join. And in order to complete this, we have to have a full polygon or a closed polygon. So we need to draw a bottom line at the base here. And I need another one, and I need to take it off of chain. Okay, so we've completed that, and now we have the idea that we want that extrusion to be the same, so I'm going to make it another -4 inches, so it sticks out a little bit and goes in a little bit. And this is wood that we're doing it, but this could actually just be a 1/4 inch piece of steel or anything else that you might desire this to look like. And let's give it that pine finish right away. We'll complete that, and we'll look at it in the 3D view. And then we have 2 openings with really ugly looking knots in our pine board. So we might think of selecting another type of material there. And this I would probably have a little threshold on. But let's do one more thing. Let's just create a little ledge on this, kind of like a serving ledge. So we'll go back to the back elevation. We'll create another extrusion. Wow, I wish it didn't keep asking for that plane, but we'll keep doing that. And we'll go underneath the window, and we'll make a little kind of a ledge, and we'll let it hang out a little further. And remember we started at -4, but maybe we want this thing to be a little more robust. We can actually end the extrusion right at the building. And let's say we make this 16 inches or something like that. Let's see what that looks like. And it's already got the pine applied to it. So we'll just complete that off. And we'll take a look at that to see what it looks like. And of course it's going in the wrong direction. So let me go ahead and modify that. And there we have a little serving ledge. And boy, I hate that pine look. So I don't know, maybe we'll just go ahead and modify this texture. Let's go ahead and open up. And you can obviously just end your clip right now if you don't want to bear the pain of looking for another wood. So let's go to wood, and let's just do birch. A dark polished birch. Let's try that. And I'll rename it just to be a good sport about things. Oops. I duplicated it by accident. Sorry. Sorry, not T. All right, and I have no idea why our window moved out of position. So I can go ahead and fix that though, because it's just really, maybe I just slid over it. So I'm just going to grab in the top corner and pull it back over. And we'll take a look at that to make sure that it's still in the right spot. Okay, so I'm still not tickled about the wood, but we've made some good progress. So next thing I want to do is maybe put a sign on, and obviously inspire you to do any other kind of development you might want to experiment with this. And we're also going to look at putting a floor in for putting entourage people on. So that'll probably be the third clip.